woman offended the rain god, and wherever she went, it would always rain on her head. The weird thing is that the rain is like a clock, getting bigger and bigger as the time changes. A few drops of drizzle in the morning will wake the woman. When she ate breakfast, the drizzle turned into a light rain. This troubled her very much, so she could only cover the rain while eating. Even makeup is to remove makeup while putting on makeup. On the bus, because the woman was raining on her head, the passengers next to her disliked her very much. Looking at the sunny weather outside the car, she could only comfort herself. At the company, the light rain is turned into moderate rain. No matter how bad the environment, it can't stop her from working hard. At this time, the leader asked her to handle the documents, but as soon as she took over the documents, it was drenched by the rain. She had absolutely no idea what to do next. In order to ease the awkward atmosphere, she took a glass of water, but the colleague on the side didn't understand. He felt that she could drink water as long as she raised her head. After get off work, she came to the restaurant for dinner. At this time, the moderate rain is turned into heavy rain. This plate of food was also ruined, but no matter how bad it was, she still ate it all. Looking at her strange encounter, the customers on the side kept casting strange eyes. When she walked out of the restaurant, it was raining heavily. She hurriedly took out her umbrella, but at this time, she found that she had obviously opened an umbrella, but it seemed to be useless. It turned out that even if the normal rain was covered, the curse on her head was still there. Finally, the woman let go, dropped the umbrella, and turned to leave.